Hey, Roadside guy here doing another video. Show you how to jumpstart a 2016 Ford Fusion SE. This is not a hybrid car. This is just a regular gas engine car. So a lot of people have a hard time jumpstarting these cars because, as you can see, the negative terminal is back here. And a lot of people will tell you to take this off up here to get to that. Don't listen to those people. They're idiots, okay? Your ground is right here. See that? That's where your ground is at. When you touch it, you'll get a spark. You can even ground up here on your strut bolt. As long as the nut or bolt is unpainted, you can get a good connection on that. And you see how it sparks? If you don't get a spark, then it's not connected good, or the battery's not dead. A lot of times if your battery's not dead, it won't spark either. So on this particular vehicle, I'm using, again, my Noco GB70 box, red on red. If you're confused, red on red, this is your red boot. You'll remove this red boot from the top of the battery. That'll give you access to your positive terminal. And then, like I said, you want to come over here to your ground, which could be one of these bolts here, or it could be this bolt down here. And as soon as the customer gets outside, we'll go ahead and have them start this vehicle up, and we'll move on to the next call for the day.
Take a picture of it.
Okay, so we have the keys. We're going to go ahead and start the vehicle now. Jump in, stick your key in, put your foot on the brake. Make sure you're putting your foot on the brake, and it'll start right up. And that is exactly how to jump start a 2016 Ford Fusion. Go ahead and we'll shut our power off, disconnect. We'll put our rubber boot back. We'll let the hood back. Yes, ma'am, you're very welcome. Hope you have a great day. If you need us, just call us back, okay? Oh, they go out after about 1.5 to 3 years here in Florida, so. What year is the car, 16?
Yeah.
You bought it brand new? Yeah, it's time for a new battery. Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, folks, so there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.